Hello guys, this video is about how you can experience augmented reality for free with PlugXR's webAR library. Firstly, either visit plugxr.com or find the following link to enter into PlugXR's AR library. As soon as you click the link, you can see a huge list of various assets to have fun with. You can now see a yellow 3D icon on top of every image. Click on the icon, and if you're an iPhone user, it will directly take you to the camera mode. If you're an Android user, you can see an interactive 3D model of the asset and a button called View in your space. Once you click on the button, it will open the device's camera. Once you're in camera mode, all you need to do is just scan a flat surface or ground with at least 2 feet distance in between so that you can see the 3D model coming to life in your space. You can either zoom in, zoom out, move, or rotate the model to your convenience. Play around with it using your creativity and record the video. Share it on your TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts and enjoy all the attention.